This is 2500 element. Show you guys how to change the air filters. I already did it already. This is what the old ones look like. And I put everything back together. And I was like, I probably should put that on video. Look at this thing. They had these in backwards also. You see it says airflow. So they should have been like that. All the crap should have been on this side. But let's get to the point. So glove compartment. You got these tabs right here that you gotta pop out because this won't come down. So I just take my finger, push it in from this side, and then you go from this side. So we zoom. Push in on this and you pull that out at the same time. I'll show you what it looks like. That's exactly what it looks like. Like that. And you got one on this side also. So I'll just sometimes you can get your fingernails under it and pop it. And once you get it popped like that, like I say, you push in on the glove box, you pop it out, and that folds down. Everything falls out of it. Up in here, you got two filters in there. You got a tab right here. Push this tab over and pull. This comes out. You can just set it down here. All right. Here's one filter right here. You just slide this out. Like I said, I replaced it already. Air flows down. Air flows down. And slide this one over here. This tab right here. You slide it over. See? You slide it back. You can slide it over. And then you can pull this one out. That's what the other filter is. You see it says right here also, look at the arrow on it. Airflow down. On the side, it's going to show airflow down. Make sure you get that in the right way. Like I said, they had these in there like that. It says, clearly shows airflow. Should have been that way. But look how dirty them things was. You think they needed the filter changed? I got in this thing, I turned the AC on after doing a radiator job on it, which I should have filmed that, but I turned the AC on and the fan was loud, but it was nothing really coming out. It was just barely blowing out the vents. So I said, yeah, sounds like the classic clogged air filter. Again, you take it, pop this in, you slide that one over, take this one, gonna fight you a little bit. Pop that one in. Take the door. Put it on. Bam. Turn the AC on. Now we got good blow. Look at that. Blowing it right out. Part number for that was FBC 10135. That's the Fram drive. That's what they had in stock. That's what we grabbed. Now you take these right here. Let me show you how this works. Just do it like this. So this is going to go in after the door is closed, and then it's just going to snap back like that. That's all. So show you. Pull it up. Start it off like this. Push it back. Fold it over. Comes down and locked. Same thing on this side. Get it in there. I can't really film it because it's mostly closed. That's how you change that. Sorry for the bad video, and I did it with my phone. Please, if it helped you out, give it a thumbs up. If it didn't help you out, give it a thumbs down. If you like the video, please help me by subscribing. I'm trying to hit 1,000. Just over 500 right now. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching.